let us learn الحرف را, the letter ra with the short vowels. The sound of the letter ra with the fatha is ra. The sound of the letter ra with the dhamma is ru. The sound of the letter ra with the kasra is ri. The sound of the letter ra with the long vowels. The sound of the letter ra with the long vowel ra. The sound of the letter ra with the long vowel ru. The sound of the letter ra with the long vowel ri. The sound of the letter ra with the absence of the short vowels as-sukun ar. The letter ra is a non-connector. It has only one connector like the letters dal, dhal, waw, and alif. Let's see some examples of the words. The word radio starts with the letter ra and it means a radio. The word ras starts with the letter ra and it means a head. The word siyara has the letter ra in the middle and it means a car. The word zura has the letter ra in the middle and it means corn. The word burj has the letter ra in the middle and it means a tower. The word bahr has the letter ra at the end and it means the sea.